Mother's Day, everyone. I just wanted to start off by saying I know that Mother's Day is not an easy holiday for everybody. It can actually be like a very sad holiday for some people. I just wanted to send some extra love to anybody that might be feeling that way today. I have extra love going out to you. Today, me and Keenan went and picked up flowers for my mom. I not hand picked them. I went to like a florist place and picked out, because I didn't want to do one of the ones that was like pre-made. I kind of wanted to pick flowers that like made me think of my mom. And so I went through and like picked my favorite flowers, and then they like put it together for me into like a good way, a pretty way. And so I came home and set those up really cute. And then we also went and got my grandma some flowers, my Oma, and brought her flowers to her place. And then both of them are coming to have dinner tonight. It's usually crap weather in Oregon. Like, it's so iffy right now. Thankfully, this last weekend, I'm sure you can see by like my tan lines or my burn lines, that we have had a lot of sun this last weekend, thankfully, because it had been so rainy and gloomy and the seasonal depression was starting to hit. Usually we don't like bring out summer pieces just yet because it is still so rainy and like unpredictable, but it's such a beautiful day today, and I think the rest of this week is going to be beautiful. So me and Keenan were like, you know what, we want to do Mother's Day outside. So we brought as much as we could to make it feel like summer. Keenan's pressure washing right now just to clean it up. We went to the store and grabbed some food, and it's just gonna be a really awesome dinner tonight, which I'm excited for. I love them so much, and I think that they deserve it. My mom is literally the best mom in the entire world. Yeah, I just wanted to do something special since we're all here, and like, it's so rare that everyone can be together because usually everyone's in different places. So I'm just gonna enjoy the dinner and everyone being here together tonight. Right now, I'm gonna make myself a margarita and I'm gonna make Keenan a Mai Tai. Join me on this journey of not knowing what I'm doing. The marg is easy and like the ingredients are easy. Like, we got ones that you can just like pour in, but I don't have margarita salt. So I'm just using sugar, and I like sugar on my rim anyway, more than salt, because I like sweet, but I don't even know if that's like a thing. So I'm gonna say is those look so good. I am about to hop in the shower, but I just got this robe in PR and it is the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to say the name wrong of the brand. It's a Korean skincare brand and it's called Beauty of Joseon. I might have butchered that. Amazing skincare. I'm trying out their moisturizer right now. This is so cute, such a cute robe. Thank you so much. I also got, okay you guys, this is a huge moment. I got gifting from Skims. And I'm still in shock about it, but I got a bra and the matching underwear, the matching thong. I could not be more grateful. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Skims. I'm about to hop in the shower right now and wash my hair and wash off the sunscreen that I had on from today because it was such nice weather out. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower and refresh. Hair and makeup are done. I curled my hair, did a very light little makeup routine. I didn't put any foundation on or anything. And I'm about to change into my Fabletics outfit because I'm gonna go take pictures for a little campaign that I'm doing with them. Okay, wait, the one piece is so cute. Just this cute little workout one piece. I'm loving it. It looks so good. This is like the perfect hot girl walk outfit. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. And right now I'm just like having my greens and I just finished my breakfast. I'm starting to go through and like pick out the pictures that Keenan and I took yesterday for the Fabletics campaign. And then I'm gonna go through and like color grade them, sharpen them up, just clean them up a bit before I upload them, but they're gonna go up today, so I'm really excited about that. And then I have a meeting at 11 that I have to go to. And then I think the rest of the day is honestly just like me prepping and doing like other work stuff. I feel a little bit chaotic this week, and thankfully it's not too busy of like a work schedule week for me. This one's actually pretty calm. I didn't make my weekly calendar, like my weekly goal calendar, so I'm a little like thrown off. I feel like I'm actually gonna see if I can sit down and do that right now, because I always feel so much more put together and like so much more disciplined throughout the week if I have like my goals set up and I know exactly what I'm doing this week. Because if I am just kind of like doing whatever, I feel like I'm not as productive with like the main pieces. You guys, the weather is so beautiful this week. I am genuinely so happy. Like this is, I feel so happy to my core. And yesterday I did a 2-hour-long meditation practice and it was amazing. It was so good and it really boosted my spirits and I feel so happy. So I'm really stoked about that. And I feel like summer is my favorite time in Oregon because I like heal the most during summer because I'm in nature the most, and I feel like nature is the most healing thing. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited that Keen's is here too this summer because now I can show him all of my favorite spots that I've found ever since I was a kid. I can like bring him to them, so I'm really excited to be able to like share that with him. Everything is, I feel like, at a really good place right now. This is probably the best I've felt in like at least 10 months, I think. I feel so good right now, like really good, which is really exciting, and trying to keep it going, okay? Right now, I'm gonna get into this weekly calendar. This one's almost done too. I think I only have like this month and next month, and then I need to start a new calendar. So I want to find one that I like really like and I think is really cool. I'm gonna do my weekly goal setting right now because it's never too late. I'm in Costco right now, and if there's one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try every sample. Just to show you guys how much I love organization, this is what our drink fridge looks like. Fully organized waters, coconut water, Gatorade, Poppy, Topo Chicos, the whole deal. This is beautiful to me. This is art. This is peace. In my mind, this is peace. You guys, Keenan is so cute. Just came home with these roses for me. Stop it right now. I love this man. What did I do to deserve him? Because it must have been something good. I'm literally wearing his shirt right now too. Oh, I just put it in the jar. Let's take it up to the room. What on earth? They are so pretty. And these white ones haven't even like bloomed yet. And there's like 5 in here, 6 in here. So it's gonna look so pretty. Never settle. If that's one thing I'm gonna say, never settle. Your right person will come along when you least expect it. You know, get in tune with yourself. And I feel like once you're in tune with yourself, the right person comes along at the timing that you least expect it, but it's at the best time.